Welcome to SMEPRO360, a complete Industry 4.0 ERP platform built for small and medium enterprises. In this demo, we walk through every module and feature, from lead capture and sales, through supply chain and manufacturing, to finance, human resources, projects, helpdesk, and platform administration. SMEPRO360 is multi-tenant and multi-branch. Each company gets its own secure workspace. Each company accesses its own secure tenant. For example, /default/login for the main demo, or /supersm/login for the Super SME demo. Role-based access controls which of the 12 ERP modules each user sees. A warehouse keeper sees supply chain. A sales executive sees CRM. An HR manager sees human resources. The executive dashboard gives management a cross-module snapshot. See revenue trends, open sales and purchase orders, low stock alerts, pending approval counts, and project health indicators all on one screen. My Space is every employee's personal workspace. My Overview shows today's tasks and leave balance. Attendance lets employees mark daily presence. Apply Leave submits requests to managers. My Tasks lists assigned work. My Projects shows allocated projects. Log Timesheets captures hours. My Payslips provides salary downloads. My Training tracks courses. My Benefits shows insurance and perks. My Documents stores personal files. My Performance displays appraisal scores. My Approval shows pending actions. CRM and sales begins with lead management. Capture inbound leads with source, industry, estimated value, and assigned executive. Leads move through a pipeline: new, contacted, qualified, converted, or lost. Convert a qualified lead into a customer and opportunity in one click, the CRM to revenue pipeline. Campaigns track marketing initiatives, email blasts, trade shows, digital advertisements. Each campaign has a budget, start and end dates, and linked leads. Measure return on investment by comparing campaign spend against converted lead value. Customers are your active accounts with company name, GSTIN, credit limit, payment terms, and billing address. Contacts are people within customer organizations, name, email, phone, and designation. Opportunities represent potential deals with stage, probability, expected close date, and value. Quotes and CPQ lets you create formal price quotations before confirming an order. Add line items with quantity, unit price, and GST. When the customer accepts, convert the quote into a confirmed sales order. Credit limit checks run automatically on order creation. Sales orders are confirmed customer commitments with approval workflows. Invoices bill customers, create, mark as sent, print PDF, and register GST e-invoice IRN with acknowledgement details for compliance. Payments records customer receipts, updating accounts receivable balances automatically. The supply chain dashboard is your command center. See purchase order status, goods receipt counts, stock value, low stock alerts, and three-way match statistics. Three-way matching compares purchase order, goods receipt note, and vendor invoice quantities, flagging discrepancies before you pay. Vendors are your supplier master. RFQ lets you send requirements to multiple vendors, collect quotes, and award to the winner, converting to a purchase order. Purchase orders commit spend and auto-trigger approval workflows. Goods receipt notes record physical receipt. On GRN confirmation, stock increases and finance accruals post automatically. The product catalog defines SKUs, units, reorder levels, and categories. Stock levels show quantity per warehouse with movement history. Inter-warehouse transfer moves stock between locations. Batch and lot tracking traces inventory by batch number. Warehouses are branch scoped. Stock alerts surface below minimum items for replenishment. Logistics manages freight orders, routes, and vehicle fleet. The dealer network tracks distributor deliveries and live shipment tracking. Resource allocation assigns people and equipment to projects and work orders across the platform. Bill of materials defines what raw materials and subassemblies make each finished product. Specify quantities per unit and scrap percentage. BOMs are the foundation for work orders and MRP calculations. Work orders schedule production runs. Start a work order, then issue materials to deduct raw materials from stock per the bill of materials. MRP planning runs material requirements across all open work orders, highlighting shortages so procurement can act before production stops. Quality management includes inspection checks for incoming and in-process quality control, and NCR and CAPA for non-conformance reports and corrective actions. Track defect types, root cause, disposition, and closure, meeting ISO 9001 traceability requirements. Finance covers the full general ledger. Chart of accounts defines your GL structure. Journal entries post debits and credits. Expenses captures employee claims with approval workflows. AR and AP aging buckets receivables and payables by aging period. Bank reconciliation matches bank lines to ledger entries. The tax module handles GST returns and TDS. Human resources covers the complete employee lifecycle. Employees stores master records. Travel and expenses manages trip requests. Attendance tracks daily logs. Leave management handles applications and approvals. Payroll processes monthly salaries. Global payroll supports multi-country payslips. Skills and appraisal manages the skills catalog and appraisal cycles with KRAs. Project management lets you plan, execute, and deliver. Create projects with phases, budget, client, and team. Project detail includes WBS, milestones, risk register, issue tracker, and earned value management. The Gantt timeline provides visual scheduling. Tasks and timesheets track work and hours. CRM links are stored in project tags for full audit trail. Help desk manages customer and internal support. Support tickets let you create, assign, comment, and resolve issues. The knowledge base provides self-service articles. SLA policies define response and resolution hours per priority. SLAs auto-apply on ticket creation with due dates and breach tracking. The asset register tracks equipment with purchase price, book value, condition, and location. Depreciation lets you view the schedule and run period depreciation. Documents provide centralized file storage with upload, download, and categorization. Reports and Analytics provides business intelligence across all modules. Management and auditors get cross-module dashboards and exportable reports for data-driven decisions. The approval inbox shows pending items. Workflows auto-trigger when purchase orders, sales orders, or expense claims are created, routing to the right authority based on amount thresholds and workflow type. Administration provides full platform control. Superadmin manages all tenant companies and branches. Users, roles, and permissions control access. Company settings configures branding and fiscal year. The audit log provides an immutable compliance trail. The Super SME demo tenant showcases fully seated interconnected data. SMEPRO360 connects your entire business, from first lead to final invoice, from raw material to finished goods, from hire to retire. Multi-tenant, multi-branch, approval-driven, and audit-ready. Built for SMEs who need enterprise power without enterprise complexity. Thank you for watching. Contact Sumaya PMO to schedule a live walkthrough or deployment.